Chapter 6 Fundamental Analysis 2 Video 4 Cash Flow Statement Analysis. Cash flow statement. Cash flow statement shows amount of cash and cash equivalent entering and leaving the company. It shows how well company manages its cash, that is how they can generate income. Three components of cash flow statement and its structure are cash from operating activities, cash from investing activities, and cash from financial activities. So first, cash from operating activities. It shows source and use of cash from operating activities in the business. It includes rent payments, payment to suppliers, salaries and wages, payment to employees and other operating expenses. Second is cash from investing activities. It shows any source and use of cash from company's investment. For an example, purchase or sales of any assets, then loan made to vendors or received from customers. Investment made is considered as cash out as cash has been invested, and divest any assets is considered as cash in. Cash from financial activities, it includes source of cash from investors and bankers as well as the use of cash paid to shareholders. Capital is raised is cash in, and when dividend is paid is cash out. So guys, we are again on money control site, and we are going to download the cash flow statement from here. So again, under financials, here comes cash flows. Scrolling down for standalone cash flow, I will copy the data. I have already created an Excel sheet. I will be pasting here, and again mentioning the sequence, that is from left hand side to right hand side, from March 16 to March 20. So guys, here come three of the main activities, that is net cash flow from operating activities. Let's check if that is increasing or not. That is definitely increasing. Then comes net cash used in investing activities. Now they should be decreasing. We have already seen in theoretical part that if they are investing, is the firm is investing more, that means cash is going out. That will make this figure in negative terms. Hence, it is good if these appear to be more negative or more red than green. Then net cash used from financial activities. Again, you need to check under annual report that what are exact reasons and how much dividend the company has paid and other details. Here comes the cash and cash equivalent at the beginning of the year. So for March 16, the cash at the beginning of the year was 7.2 CR, and at the end of the year was 20. And at the beginning of March 2017, the cash was 19, and almost these figures will remain same, ending of previous year and beginning of new year. So you also need to check that how much cash they have increased for the year, how much they have used. You also need to check if the firm is not having much of the ideal cash. Okay, for an example, at the end of March 20, the firm was having cash and cash equivalents, that is around 264 crore. So from 57, almost 4 times they are having the cash. Now that is a huge number, that compared to the previous years, that is from 7 to that, here the cash has decreased. That is probably a good sign. Here the cash has increased, but not as much as for March 20. So yes, we can say that from March 19 to March 20, the company have saved a lot of cash. We all know the situation for 2020, March 24. Okay, lockdown has begun throughout the world, and because of this pandemic, that is COVID-19, that may be the reason that the company has collected the cash, because they know there are few transactions which needs to be paid and other details. So also you need to find these things under annual report. You will be also getting their notes, we have seen under annual report part. So if you are not seeing the annual report video, then please go through it. It is one of the most important videos, that is annual report analysis, and under notes you can find the details that what are the exact operating activities, investing activities and financial activities, or if they have collected the cash, then what are the reason, that also you can find under the annual report. So please also refer parallelly the notes from annual report.
So guys, if you find this video informative, please do like, comment, share and follow Intellect Pentomath on Instagram and YouTube. Stay tuned for latest updates and more videos. Thank you.